gonna come around that side, Tom.
Okay.
Luke, do you want to grab those lift gates? And we'll just kind of pull this stuff out. This truck is really nice. Tom, as beat as this truck looks, it's actually really nice. It's a great truck to restore. Oh, good news, man.
Okay.
Found a little flip phone, burner phone, hello? Qualcomm 5000. Hey, Luke, you ready? Want to go on that side? We'll take this off. Let's just put it behind Britt's truck. Let me just set it up. Woo! Look at this thing. Look at this thing's chair.
Isn't that pretty nice?
The floor condition. This truck is really soft.
Where do you get this from?
This is one of those Ventura trucks. She's hurting though, man. So that's interesting. It's got these are both automatic shift plates. This is like a 6-cylinder one, I think. This is weird.
No, it's just upside down.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Yeah, what the hell?
This is like a 78, 79. But it's a manual.
Got the push button.
You see that?
Didn't,
It's always fun to discover, like, so this is, looks like it was an original manual truck. And that's why this project that someone started, probably, which is the last time it moved, was someone started doing an automatic swap. Like probably did the engine and automatic out of something else.
ran when parked.
Ran when parked. You see that glove box latch there, Luke?
Yeah.
This is pretty cool too, this radio delete. I might just gap this for Manny's.